In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to n8n. If you're building automations and want AI-powered reasoning or writing in your workflows, connecting Claude through n8n's credential system is the simplest, most secure way to do it. We'll walk through creating the credential, selecting the right provider, entering your details, and then putting that connection to use in a workflow. Start in your n8n dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Personal, then open the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to external services. Click the Create Credential button in the top right corner. Creating a credential here ensures you don't hard-code secrets and nodes, and it lets you reuse the same connection across multiple workflows cleanly and safely. In the Provider Selection screen, use the search bar to find Anthropic, the company behind Claude. Select Anthropic and click Continue. Choosing this provider tells n8n which fields to show and how to authenticate behind the scenes. If your view looks slightly different, that's normal. n8n versions can vary a bit in appearance, but you should still see the Anthropic option in the list of credential types. Next, enter the credentials needed for the API connection. Typically, this includes your Anthropic API key and an optional descriptive name so you can recognize this credential later. Keep your key confidential. Never paste it into nodes or share it in screenshots. If there are optional fields such as base URL, organization, or timeout, leave the defaults unless your setup requires something special. When everything looks good, click Save. At this point, n8n validates the format and securely stores your credential so it's ready to use. With the credential saved, you can now use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. Open or create a workflow, add an Anthropic or Claude-related node, and in the credential dropdown, select the credential you just saved. Configure the node with your prompt or input data, choose the appropriate model if the node offers that setting, and map dynamic fields from earlier steps as needed. You can use Execute node to test responses and confirm that the connection works as expected. Keep an eye on usage and limits in your Anthropic account, and consider using descriptive node names so it's easy to maintain your flows later. That's all. You've securely connected Claude to n8n, and you're ready to bring AI into your automations. Save your workflow, run it, and iterate on prompts to get the results you want. Thanks for watching, and happy building.